Hello everyone, welcome back to HLV Visa Consultancy. So let's answer this inquiry. Paano daw mag-reschedule ng appointment sa VFS? So what he meant is the visa appointment. In every visa application, karamihan ay hindi na talaga pumupunta sa mismong embassy. So we have this called VFS Global. Ito yung application center na kapartner po ng bawat embassy at dito na natin pinapasa yung mga visa requirements. And ano yung gagawin if you want to reschedule your visa appointment? Ito po yung ituturo ko sa inyo. So watch my full tutorial kasi commonly ito din yung mga nare-receive kong inquiries sa aking Facebook page at sa aking YouTube kung paano daw mag-reschedule ng visa appointment sa VFS Global. Unang step, pumunta sa official website ng VFS Global. Depende sa bansa na pupuntahan ninyo. For example, dito ang gagamitin ko is Norway kasi kabubuko lang ng appointment. And my clients want me to reschedule the appointment kasi hindi siya makakapunta. Kapag nasa website na kayo, i-click nyo lang po yung book now. And assuming na you already created your account and nakapag-book na kayo ng previous appointment, ito po yung i-click ninyo, yung nasa dulo. And mag-sign in po kayo using the email and password na ginamit ninyo before. I hope nasulat nyo siya or na-take note. Karamihan nakakalimutan yung password, kaya hindi na nila nababalikan yung kanilang VFS Global account. So, ayan yung aking email na ginamit and yung password. Mag-sign in lang po kayo. If you forgot your password, i-click nyo lang po yan na forgot password para makapag-sign in pa rin kayo. And after that, ito na yung aking dashboard. So, appointment details. So, yung visit boy or girlfriend, partner, fiancé, depende ito sa category ng visa, no, na binook po ninyo. And then, click Manage Appointment. May mga choices kayong makikita like appointment details. Diyan tayo pupunta. At makikita ninyo or mababasa ninyo, may mga option. Isa sa option is yung cancel appointment, resend confirmation letter, reschedule appointment, and print appointment letter. At dahil ang ating goal is to reschedule the appointment, ayan po, napakalinaw. Ayan lang po yung inyong i-click. Pick an appointment date. It your chance again na makapagpili kayo ng appointment na suitable po or talaga makaka-attend kayo. By the way, 2 beses lang kayo pwede mag-reschedule ng appointment. So, sa pangalawang pagkakataon, dapat sure na po na makakapunta kayo. And dapat nagre-reschedule kayo ng appointment mga 3 days before the appointment date. Kasi kapag masyado kayong late nag-reschedule, minsan hindi na pinapayagan ng system. So, you need to cancel and book your appointment again. Pero kapag maaga pa kayo nakapag-decide na magre-reschedule pala kayo, so pwede pa. So, from August 7 appointment, pinalitan ko siya ng 21. And then, mamimili ako ng appointment time. Pwedeng sa umaga at sa hapon. But pinipili ko guys yung mga bandang gitna. Kasi pag masyadong maaga naman, maraming hindi nakakapunta kasi natatraffic. Yung iba ginagahol sa oras. So I choose always between 9:45 hanggang sa mga 1:00. So this appointment, I will choose 9:45 a.m. Ganito lang yung process, napakadali. So, continue lang natin yan. Kapag rescheduling, wala kayong babayaran. Pero, before you submit the details, i-review nyo po muna. Baka mamaya ibang date pala yung na-click ninyo. So, isa-isay ninyo from the appointment details, appointment type, yung date, very important, and yung time. At kapag sure na kayo, na-check nyo na lahat, tama naman, click confirm. Kapag na-click nyo to, antayin nyo lang mag-loading ulit, gaya nito. At meron siyang notification, your appointment has been rescheduled to Monday, something like that. And makikita nyo naman dito na talagang na-change na yung appointment details. Ang susunod nyong gagawin is either to resend confirmation letter, i-click po ninyo yan, or print appointment letter. O kaya naman, i-check nyo yung email ninyo kasi isi-send dito ng VFS yung bago ninyong appointment confirmation letter na kailangan nyo pong i-print at dalhin on the day of your appointment. So, ito yung example ng appointment letter. So, dapat ganito pa rin yung magiging hawak ninyo. At ayan, solve yung problema. Ganun lang po kadali. And that is for today's vlog. Guys, thank you so much. So if you need any assistance for your visa application or for booking your appointment, so you can email me this email address or follow my Facebook page. By the way, sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit biglang lumiit yung aking follower, my old or my previous Facebook page po kasi was suspended, permanently suspended. So I created new one and legit po yan. So yan na po yung aking Facebook page. So follow nyo po ako. Guys, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.